Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Forza Horizon 5 error access to user-generated content is restricted. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So what you'll need to do first is to go into the account.xbox.com/settings. Don't worry because I am going to put the link into the description box below. So you can go ahead and click into the link. And after that, you'll be needed to log in into your account. So just make sure that the account that you're going to sign into is the same account that you are using in your Xbox or in your gaming console. And then next, go into the privacy and online safety. And then in here, go to the privacy, click into the privacy settings. So as you can see in this part right here, click into the privacy and then you'll be able to see this part right here. So what you'll need to do next is to set into the everyone. So see other people's Xbox Live profile, set it to everyone. All of this, set it into everyone and then also click the allow options if the allow option is available. So click everyone and then allow. And after doing so, if you're already on the most bottom part of the page and you have selected all of this to everyone and then allow, click into this submit green button. So after doing so, just go back to the upper part of the page again and then click into this Xbox Series XX, Xbox One, this part right here, click into that and then again set it all to into the allow options and then after that, scroll again on the most bottom part of the page and then just submit or click into the submit button. Again, this green button that I've shown earlier, so click into that. And after that, you can now exit from that page and just relaunch the game and see if that fixes the problem. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.